So we're making this easy cannelloni recipe today. First you want to preheat your oven to 170 and take a tin of beans and give them a good rinse. You're going to put the beans into a bowl and one of the kids can give them a really good mash. This is actually harder than I thought it would be. Then you're going to start preparing your vegetables. So we're going to peel and chop one onion. And then we're going to also take the seeds out of peppers and chop those up. I would chop them up smaller than I have here. We learned this later on. Give everything a good fry and pop it in the bowl with the beans and then give it all a good stir together. You're going to put about a third of your passata into a baking dish. Try not to drip any on the counter. I was unsuccessful. And then you're going to fill your little tubes of cannelloni. I actually couldn't find cannelloni when I made this video, but it was similar enough. I used a teaspoon here, but honestly, using your hands is much easier. Then you're going to pour the rest of your passata on top of your cannelloni and any extra toppings. So I put on some cherry tomatoes and a little bit of cream that I had lying around. And then I popped on cheese and put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And this was the end result. I got it right out of the oven, bubbling. I let it cool down a little bit and then I plated it up with some extra cheese and some leaves. Thanks for watching. If you make this, please send us photos.